Alright, just because that, I'm gonna send you upside down.
No.
Yeah. I was gonna send you straight and fast. Now we're gonna go upside down. Here we go, man. 2 hands here.
2 hands here?
Yes, lean back. Lean back. Put your head down. No, lower, lower.
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 I can't go lower.
Lift your knees up. Lift your knees up.
Oh! Oh, shit!
Man,
Yo, my fucking leg hit that tree.
What tree?
There's a branch or a tree or some shit.
We're gonna have to charge you for that.
That's what she said.
Did you say?